Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I am going to show you one another fun activity about the physical dynamics and collision detection. As you can see, if I hit this wall there is a sound. Okay, you can hear that. Okay, you can check it also. And how to do that? So for that you have to make a assembly like this. Okay, one box I have assembled with the this kind of hinge. A simple hinge is there, and inside the box I have put in one red ball. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I will close the box. Now what I will do, with the red ball I will open this box. Okay, how it is possible? And with the simple physical dynamics, no more calculation, no motion studies. Okay, I'm not going to use motion study, but in the assembly there is one option how to do that. So let's go to that. First you have to assemble a part like this. Then you can go to the layout option. After that you have to select the move component. In that there are lot of options like a free drag, standard drag. Okay, so during the free drag you can also move object with the along with axis, along with the planes, any coordinates. Okay, so you can choose that. Now there is a collision detection where you can just simple detect the collision between those parts. Okay, if it hits the part, it will make the sound. Sometimes it doesn't because of the glitch of the software. So it will hit. I have checked the sound. Okay, sometimes it will do get the sound if it hits anything. Okay, so you can see the stop at collision option as well, drag part only. Okay, now also if you don't want to detect the collision between all the parts, whole assembly, so what you can do, you can just select the components with which you have to detect the collision. Okay, just like I just want to detect the collision between this door and the ball. Okay, I don't want to include this box in that. So what I will do, I just select two of these parts and I will resume the drag. Okay, so accordingly you can do that, up to you. Now coming to the physical dynamics. Okay, so as you can see, I have turned on physical dynamics, and the interaction between these parts. See, whenever I am going to push the box, okay, it is making the ball away. Okay, it is moving the ball. It is for activity, right? So just like that, as you can see. Oh, okay. Now what I will do, I will open the box with the ball. I will close the box, but ball should be there, as you can see. So this is how physical dynamics works. I just showed the simplest example of this so that you can perform with the complex problem by yourself. In the future I will also show the whole catapult with the physical dynamics and also motion study, so you can understand how how much advanced we can use like in physical dynamics. Okay, so that's how you can perform the physical dynamics. Okay, so yeah, this is all for the video. This was the short video for this kind of fun activities. So if you really watch and like our videos, then subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Keep sharing, keep learning.